Chief Travis Griffith here. I just wanted to take a moment to be able to share some footage from our wonderful drone team, the rescues and things that took place on July 4th, 2025. What you're watching right here is a vehicle rescue. This is from the Fort Worth Fire Department. They're part of Texas Task Force 1 Swiftwater Rescue. They responded quickly and were able to assist this motorist who is stranded. There's another gentleman that you can see right here that was also getting out of the high water. This is one of the San Angelo police officers that was able to make it to this location to work on trying to get this citizen out of the water. We have blurred the faces of people that have been involved in this just because we want to make sure that we don't put out any information that we shouldn't be. Police officers did this all across San Angelo, as well as firemen were helping get people out of vehicles and out of property. This is the Texas Task Force 1 Swiftwater Rescue again. This is a father and son, a very young son that is stranded, holding on to a pole. This is a very raw video. We have edited some for time, but again, blurring the faces of those involved as they're working to rescue our citizens. I just can't say enough about how much we appreciate the Fort Worth Fire Department for being able to be here and to be a part of that Texas Task Force 1 to be able to be rapidly deployed. The videos that you're going to see here is just kind of giving an overview of the extensive amount of damage that was seen at this time frame. This is just after the early morning hours. The waters were very high and the extent of damage was significant. This is just one part of the town that was being affected. At the time, we saw extensive flooding going on up north. This is our armored personnel carrier. It's a rescue vehicle we use in case of shootings. We were using it to get through high water and rescue people. This is a rough estimate of the major water flows, not all of it. This is major water flows that we're showing of swift water that was coming through the area. What you're viewing here, you see Houston Hart there up in the upper left hand and Bell Street there in the center upper portion. And we will be speeding this feed up to be able to provide a little better idea of the damage in a more efficient manner. As you can see, this is Pulliam Street that we're starting to cross over, and Bell is up to the mid left portion.